Hey everyone, my name is Yas. Welcome back to the day 13 of the 30 coding challenge in Java programming. In today's we will see about the instance variable. Instance variable are fields declared within a class but outside any method. They are used to store unique data for each instance of the class. In this program, we have to find the greater number between three numbers. Where instance 1 is the class name, here above the main method, we declare the instance variable and inside the main method, we declare the object of this class and we take scanner for user input. Here we use if-else statement for checking which number is greater from the number. Let's we run this program. Enter any three number. We enter 20, 40 and 10. The greater value is 40. We move to another program. In this program, we take the input name, roll number and three subject marks, then calculate the total marks and percentage of the total marks. This is the code. Let's we run this program. Enter the student name, roll number and three subject marks. We enter student name that is Raj, roll number that is 101 and the three subject marks is 90, 96, 98. Total marks is 284 and the percentage is 94.6. This is the output. We take the another example. In this program, we take the two elements input in box D1 and two elements input in box D2, then calculate the sum of the first element and the second element in the box of D3. This is the code. Here we use the instance variable. We run this program. Enter any two number for D1 box. We enter 10 and 20. Enter any two numbers for D2 box. 20 and 30. The sum of D1 and D2 is 30 and 40. 10 plus 20 is 30 and 20 plus 30 is 50. This is the output. This is another example of instance variable. In this program, take the input student details like name, roll number and marks from the user and check which student marks is greater and print the marks of that student. This is the code. Here we take the three student details. This block check which student marks is greater. This is the code. Let's we run this program. Enter the name, roll number and marks of student 1. We enter name Raj, roll number 101 and marks is 96. Enter the name, roll number and marks of student 2. The roll number is 102 and marks is 90. Enter the name, roll number and marks of student 3. We enter student name 3, roll number and marks. The student 1 marks is greater 96. This is the output. That's all for today. Thank you.